Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 11 to version 2.5H2. Now for this you can go to Windows settings and then go to Windows update. Over here you will see check for update option. Click on check for update and then you should be able to see version 2.5H2 and you can install it on your computer. Now if you don't see the update over here, in that case you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and then it will open Windows 11 installation assistant. If the update is available, you will see update now option. It might also, before you update it, it might tell you to run this Windows PC health check setup. So you can if you see that option over here, you will see in blue hyperlink it will be there, install PC health checkup. You can run this exe file, download it, run this exe file, and you can check if the computer is compatible for 2.5H2. Once you run it, over here you will see the refresh option. Click on refresh. Once you click on refresh, there will be an update to install it. In my case I already did it. Then there will be update installing, so you can click on update now and there'll be 1 2 3, I think, couple of updates. Let it complete. Once that is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart you should be able to update your Windows 11 to version 2.5H2, or when you run Windows 11 installation assistant, once this is complete, your Windows will be already updated to version 2.5H2. Now if Windows 11 installation assistant does not work, on the same website scroll down. Over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this page. Click on accept over here and by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save the ISO file to desktop. Click on save and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, so let it complete. Once done, click on finish and then do not close this manually. Let it close automatically. It will take few seconds to close, and then you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then here you can see setup file. Make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so click on install. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 2.5H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.